Murano is an island outside of Venice, known for its fantastic glass artwork and glass products. To be more precise, Murano is a series of small islands connected by bridges in the same way as Venice itself. It's in a way a miniature version of Venice, where the grand architecture is replaced with more ordinary buildings, where more than 5,500 people live and work. Murano can be reached in about 20 minutes from St. Mark's Square, with a taxi boat or the Valpolaretto, which has its first stop just at the beginning of the Murano main shopping street. From here you follow the canal all the way up to the Campo Santo Stefano, with its clock tower, and the fantastic Cometa di Vetro, the comet glass star, made by many huge needles of Murano glass. This glass sculpture was made by artist Simone Candenesa for the Natale di Vetro, the Christmas of Glass celebration in 2008. It consists of 500 pieces of blown glass in 6 different colors and sizes. The walkways along the canal is packed with glass boutiques, art galleries displaying fantastic pieces of Murano glass in all shapes and forms, and souvenir shops that differ from the ones in Venice by also selling Murano glass souvenirs. At the back of the galleries you'll find the factories, but most of them are not open to the public. The reason why you'll find all these glass factories here in Murano is that in the 13th century, one of the Doges in Venice ordered the factories to be moved from Venice to prevent fire. Many of the city's building structures and pillars were made of wood and very exposed to fire from all the ovens used to create the glass. Further up from the Cometa di Vetro, you'll also face Murano's own Canal Grande. But before you cross the bridge, visit one of the most famous glass factory, the Messega Glass Factory, just to the left along the Canal Grande di Murano. The selection of glass products is amazing, from chandeliers and fantastic mirrors to more modern and affordable pieces. If you cross the canal and head right, you'll face Museo del Vetro, Murano's Glass Museum, and next door, Murano's best hotel, the luxurious Lagar Hotel, Venezia. This, in our opinion, is a great alternative to staying in a hotel among the crowds of Venice, in the same way as staying at Lido di Venezia, which we have presented in another All the Goodies video. Murano also has a selection of basilicas and churches, but we recommend that you spend your time here among all the fantastic glass artwork. For more videos in Venice and the rest of the world, visit allthegoodies.com. Please subscribe to All the Goodies by pressing the logo.